What is up, guys? It's a beautiful fall day in Ohio. About 60 degrees. Sunday, the Browns lost like every other Sunday in a heartbreaking fashion. I say we go for a drive. So I don't know if you guys saw, but a couple weeks ago in a video I said that Geico decided that the lady that hit me was liable, so her insurance is going to pay for the car to get fixed. Geico did a picture appraisal instead of coming to see the car. Their quote is $2,200 to get the car fixed, but that's based on them pulling out that rear fender and using it. $2,100 of the $2,200 is labor, just so you know. So I went to Osgar's Auto Body. One of the two best auto body places in my area, and I took them the quote. The soonest appointment, I dropped the car off in mid-November. And this was still September. This was late September. They said they'll have the car for a week to fix it, but they'll probably have it for a month dealing with Geico. The tech that looked at the car said he doesn't think they'll be able to reuse that panel. He said it's pretty heavily damaged. So that gives me the car back mid-December. Sorry guys, a little technical difficulty there. As I was saying, I won't get the car back till mid-December, and at that point I'm not going to be driving it. I don't want to get salt on the car. I don't want to put winter tires on the car. That's why I have the WRX. So that's where we're at with the 86. I have an exhaust on the way. It said 4 days, and then it said it was back ordered, so who knows when it'll get here. Hope everybody's having a good week. Take care.